Here's I'm going through the Post.news app. I got access, but yeah, at the moment it's very early. It's in beta, so Post.news is available as a progressive web app, meaning it works like every other app on your device, but instead of downloading Post app from the app or Google Play Store, you can simply open Post in the mobile web browser and then save the page to your home screen. So yeah, it also means that this app is not yet available on iOS or Google Play Android. So on Android devices, you can either open Post in Chrome browser, open menu in the upper right corner, select Install App, or you can engage the banner at the bottom of the Post page that says Add Post to Home Screen, and then you will have like a Post icon, like this on your home screen, and then you will be able to click that, and that's kind of how you create like a link to like app icon, but it's not really app, but that's how you can install it on the Android devices.